Hi, do you find your jawline isn't as sharp as it used to be? Perhaps you want a slightly more defined jawline and also chin area. Well, in today's video, we're going to do the amazing Mandible Pinch method to really help lift up that jawline, also that double chin, natural facelift. Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Kinship Skin, the Fascia Lift Method. I've been a facialist for the last 8 years and I'm really passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, and as always I'm using a little bit of my facial oil here, just something so you've got a little bit of grip and glide if you like, just so you're not compromising the skin by dragging or pulling. So applying just a couple of drops to the fingers and then all along the top of the jaw and under the jaw here and the chin area, just down by the front and behind the ears and down the collarbone. So once we've done that, we're just going to take our fingers and make almost like a pincing motion. Place it where our chin is, thumb under, fingers above, and just gently squeeze and press on and melt in to the jawline. And what we're doing here is really helping with a fascia decompression for allowing for more space for nutrients and oxygen to the area of the jawline. And if the fascia gets stuck, it's harder for detoxification as well. So we're just melting in, gently pinching in, and then working all along the mandible, keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed, the neck nice and relaxed, and also the facial expressions where we hold lots of tension in our face. And I'd also recommend when you're doing this to do what they call mewing, placing the tongue to the roof of your mouth. This will naturally lift everything up. And a bit further along. Now I like to do these 2 or 3 times a week. And then with the fingers, just very gently pressing and then taking the fingers off the mandible and the jawline. It's a really great pinch here. And then with the thumb placed under the chin, fingers above, just gently gliding with the thumb towards the jawline. And then working our way all along the jawline towards the ears. And then thumb placed underneath, the fingers as a hook, just gliding along the jawline now. Smoothing out any toxins and waste under the jawline where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then fingers in front of the ears and then behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then glide down one hand at a time, down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And then for the final lymphatic drainage release from the jawline after our mandible pinching, from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we just have some indentations. And taking the pads to the fingers, if you can just give these a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the jawline to make it nice and sharp and also smoother, less slackiness under the chin area as well, into the body, ready for elimination. So please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and also comment down below, tell me how you found this today and if there's any other techniques you'd love me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.